Good morning. How you doing? Woke up this morning bright and early. Decided I'd go ahead and cut my grass. And you would not believe what I did. I was out here kind of trimming down some weeds in my backyard, and I hit a stump. I knew to raise my motor up, but I must didn't have it up enough. Let me show you what I got. So this is the stump I hit. Hit that edge right there. Bent my blade. So I had to go to the lawnmower shop and get a new blade. I mean, I was just about finished with the backyard. I was pretty much finished with the backyard. But here I go. Let me lift it up so you can see how the blade look. So this is how my blade looked when I hit that tree stump. I hope it didn't mess the shaft up. I don't think it did, but if it did, I'd just probably buy me a new mower. We're gonna try to change it. I'm gonna bring you with me. Hold tight. So, I'm an old country boy, so I don't really care about fancy stuff. So I got a couple bricks here holding up my lawnmower, and got the new blade right here, and got my wrench and socket. So we're gonna try to change this blade out real quick. Hold tight. I'll be back. I'll make sure I got this blade gonna be going on right. So I want to go up just like that. So I'm just gonna lay it right here on the ground. I haven't changed the blade on a lawnmower in a while because I ain't never hit nothing. And the man at the shop, I said, how long? I said, you got time to change a blade on a push mower? And you won't believe, he said he was 4 weeks out on stuff like that. You know, working on a lawnmower. He was 4 weeks out. I don't know how this got on here. I don't know what it is, but I'm gonna take this off. I'm gonna go find me some scissors. I'll be back. All right, I'm back. Found some scissors and cut this off. Oh man. I'm telling you how long this been on here. I'm gonna snip it off. Don't tell my wife I got the scissors from the kitchen. I'm gonna have to clean these, double time cleaning these. Here, she'll be mad. She don't need me using her stuff like that. So, came off pretty good. Got some briars around here. Jesus. All right, so I laid my new blade down in the exact position. I laid my new blade down in the exact position it needs to go in to this part right here, so there wouldn't be no confusion. So let's go ahead and put that back on. Yep, you can see it. Yeah, I can't believe the man said he was 4 weeks out. Yep. There we go. Perfect fit. Oh man, I am not a mechanic by no means, but I think I can handle this one right here. If I can keep everything like it needs to be, screw this in. Make sure it's flush. Make sure everything is flush, yeah. Now let me turn my wrench it back the other way. Tighten it up. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we cooking with gas now. That should. It's nice and snug. By golly, George, I believe we did it. I believe we did it. Let me put a little bit more, just one more, a little bit more on this. Yeah, that's good right there. So got the new blade on. Got the old blade here. Man, I messed up that blade right there, man. But yeah. All right, let's turn it on and see what we get. See what we get. Let me let it down. All right, let's crank it up, see how it feels. For some reason, I took this off. Let's crank it up. Success. I am now a official lawnmower mechanic. I'm not one for doing too many things like that, but I have changed them back in the days, back in my early teens. But nowadays, I could have did it. I mean, I knew I could have did it, but I didn't want to do it. But when he said he was 4 weeks out, like, that's okay. But anyhow, that's a little tutorial on how to change a lawnmower. If you would, please like and subscribe to our channel. And as my wife says, I'll holla. Take care. Enjoy your day. One last look at my little setup. Got it done. Vince out. The neighbor cutting the grass, and the neighbor getting the roof put on. Boy, it started a little late if you ask me. It ain't none of my business. Yeah, you getting a new roof put on the house. How much a roof cost these days? Y'all put in the comments. I'm like a 1,300 square feet out. How much a roof cost these days? Put in the comments. I'm tired. Grass look good though. Grass look good. Sun ain't coming out. I'm done. I'm tired. I don't know what. But the grass is done. I'm country, so it is what it is. Like my wife always say, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll holler. Y'all take care. See you the next time.